But I love you. Oh yeah? Well, that's what it said. There's someone standing behind you. Are your hiccups gone? This is what I do to help people. Usually I don't try to scare them in their own world. I try to scare them into my world. For example, I might fall down, and then their attention goes to helping me up. Hiccups are gone. I might have some kind of strong reaction to something. It works sometimes and doesn't work other times. For the most part, people appreciate what I've tried to do, even if they don't work, these attempts to distract the hiccupper from the hiccup. But I don't think that I hiccup as much as I used to. I used to get hiccups frequently when I was young, and I remember trading information about how to get rid of them. There were people who swore that if you took a match and struck it and put it at the top of a glass of water and drank it, oh, that's a little bit complex already for me. The thing that worked best for me, drinking from the opposite side of a cup. Occasionally, when I have them, that still works. But still, I think it's the focusing on something else. So being scared out of them or being captured by something else somehow relieves the tension from either end. I don't know what the anatomy is. I just know, you want hiccups gone? Do this. I would not do a spoonful of sugar, though. That one never quite worked for me. Maybe it's just an excuse for kids to eat sugar. Cheeky.